This other one I have on my list is view3ai.io. View3ai.io. And this particular platform gives you access to View3 and some few other AI platforms. So you can actually do this with just your phone. So we don't need to go through the process whereby we are going to be creating a video for phone. I will create another video for those that are using PC. Just with your phone, you have access to it, and you can also do it on your PC. So you can use your phone, you can use your PC. It's not stressful to use on PC. It's not stressful to use on phone. All right. Tools we are going to look into. All right. This is a website. It's called view3ai.io. All right. You can just go ahead and Google that. Now, these are the things that you have on this View3 AI, all right? View3ai.io. All right, you have CDANS 1.5, as you can see here. We have CDANS 1.5. If I click on it to check other apps that we have here, the ones we can access for free. For example, here, number one is CDANS 1.5 Pro. As you can see, we have 90 seconds. Now we have 90 seconds of free down. You can use 90 seconds of free down 1.5 Pro. You can create video, which is 90 seconds video a day, all right, which is 100% free. Now your View 3.2, you can create 200 seconds a day. Okay. Now your View 3.1 Lite, you can create 160 seconds. Then your CDANS 2 Mini, you can create 120 seconds. Now, mind you, these are free methods. You can see the other, you can see Kim 3.1. Let me scroll down and show you that. Yeah, this Kim Kling 3.0. Now you have 257 seconds. So these are other good AI tools that you can use for free. So there is no, you don't have any other excuse that you don't have money to subscribe for these AI tools. Now, here I'm bringing you free AI tools that you can use to create whatever video that you want to create. All right. So you can see that now let's just go ahead and create something from it. I've not even logged in now. Right, see, describe your video. In order to log in, don't forget that you actually use your template mail. I can just go ahead and just start for free. Just go ahead and say start for free. Now it's giving us options. We continue with email, sign with the Google. So I'm going to go to email. Now you're going to expect us to put our email here. Okay. You're going to come here and put in your email. So now we can also use your, what's it called, your temporary mail. All right. So you can come here just like we did before and use our temporary mail to access this thing. You can come to your temporary mail, which is what we have here. Just wait for it to load. And we can come to our temporary mail. Now, in case you want to hit change, you want to make changes here, come here and click on this change you are seeing here. Once you click on it, take you to swipe to delete. So you cannot use two email at the same time. So you're going to make sure that you already use this one to log in, which we have used this one to log into our Grok AI. Now I'm going to go ahead and swipe it. Then when you swipe it, it's going to refresh and give you a new email. Then we can now use this email to log into any other website that one could log into. Maybe you want to create a multiple Grok account. Okay, let's say you want to create a multiple Grok account. You can also use this. So I'm always going to go back here, go back to our app. So I'm going to go ahead and just, without signing up, I think we can actually create something without signing up, as you can see. All right, so we can come here and describe our video here. So I'm going to come here and paste my prompt here. So this is my prompt. The same prompt we use for our Grok AI. So I'll come here and click on this image. So I don't want to go through the stress of, signing up and creating an account. So we are going to have to sign up before we can create anything here. So I told you we can create anything without signing up. So we're also going to go over to our temporary mail. Now, mind you, this temporary mail is 100% free. As you can see, we didn't pay anything to use it. All right, so you can see this is a different email from the one we used before. I'll go ahead and copy it. I'll come here, come back to our view 3. I'll paste my email here. Now, it's saying create password. I'm going to click on forget password. I'll paste my email here and save. So let me check. So we have already sent the password to reset email. We're able to wait for it to load up. Come here and we are going to go ahead and refresh. So now we have to sign up completely first. So I'll come here and sign up. All right, so we have already signed up. As you can see, you can see our profile here. You can see here's our profile. I've already signed up. So I'm going to come here and just, type in. I'll paste in my prompt here. I already have a prompt for it. I'll paste in my prompt here, and then I'm going to browse, look for the image that I want to use. All right, so I'm going to use this particular image, this number one image. So as you can see, it's a chef. It's about a chef. So this image has already been generated. I generated this image using Gemini AI. So just to test run and see how it works. So we are currently uploading. So it's going to go ahead and upload. Right, so now we can see we have first frame and second frame. That will show you how perfect this thing is. Okay. Now, all these AI tools I'm showing you, you're going to have to make use of the particular one you want to use, depend on how your project is. Now, this particular one, what it means is that I can put two images in the sense that if I create the first image here, which is the first frame, this should be the last frame. It can be the image, the beginning of the scene is different from the ending. So I have to make two different images with two different position of the image. So this is how it's going to generate it. So for this tutorial, I just only have one, okay, because this is just a test purpose. I just only have one. I'm just going to test and see how this one works. Now we're using Cdance 1.5 Pro. All right, the major purpose of this tutorial is View 3. Okay, let's try View 3. So it's all the same, but we're going to go ahead and try View 3.1. Okay, try View 3.1, 9:16. The resolution, you can see the duration is 8 seconds. We have a duration of 8 seconds. Then we have the resolution 720p. This is the highest. Okay, if you're using that, I think the highest is 4K. Then 1080 is higher than 720. Okay, now the cost of this is 10 credits. Okay, I mean 6 credits. All right, credit is 6, and okay, it costs 10 credits. So I'm going to go ahead and just scroll down. So I've already added our prompts. This is our image. All right, so we are currently generating. All right, so see, one of the issue with this particular platform is that it's very, very, how do I call it now? Now, it has limited credits, okay? It has very, very limited credit. But as you can see, currently generating our video. All right, so we are done generating it. You can see, you can go ahead and play it. All right, so as you can see, so this is the list of all the apps that I have access to so far. Now, all of that I've shown you, those are very, very good. Okay, you can go ahead and use those, especially Opa.google or the Grok. And that Grok images has already cancelled everything. All right, the Grok 7-day trial is what you should make sure you are using, because it gives you over 20,000 credits, so you can create a lot of. It's actually the premium version of it, which is your. So you really need to try out some of these things. So in case you have any question, you can leave them in the comment section.
Come, let me show you how to prepare a delicious Nigerian dish that feels illegal to know.
So here's another app we are going to be looking at for. This is Digen.ai. So this particular app will also give you access to free View 3. All right, it can give you access to other platforms. Right here, as you can see, we have other platforms that you can access. But View 3 is actually just one of them. You can see over here, if you scroll down, you can see we have Grok 1.5. We have Seedance 2.0, as you can see. So we have so many things that you can do with this particular platform. So let me just go ahead and show you how we can access our View 3 with this platform. So the first thing we need to do, you're going to go ahead and click on this small icon you're seeing right here. Right, you're going to go ahead and click on it. When you click on it, it's going to give you access to pick any AI apps that you want. You can see. Let me just scroll down. We have ROM 2.6. We have Sora 2. You can see we currently have Sora 2. So we have View 3.1. We have Grok AI. This is Grok.video. All right. We have Runway. Right. These are different tools that you can use to generate your AI. You can use to generate your video. Right. So these are different tools that you can use. This is Digen.ai. It's 100% free as well. So if we want to create our AI, so with this particular platform, there are so many things you can have access to. So you can see, but you can still go ahead and access it. There are some new AI tools that they have, as you can see. There are some AI tools that they have that haven't. You can see this ROM 3.1 remix, this ROM Turbo. So you can actually see Sora 2. So all these AI tools, you can actually use them. These are new AI platform. Now they are all here. So you can see this Grok 1.5. So all right, so you can just go through it. All right, it's Digen.ai. You can go to your browser and search for Digen.ai, and then it's going to pop up for you. Now, another particular platform that I want to show you guys, which is very important here. All right, so as you can see, this is another platform that you can also use. They are to create your image, your video. All right, this create.1.video. Okay, this is the URL, create.1.video. You can see the URL right here, create.1.video. Now, if you check the description below, I'm going to go ahead and just put all the URL that is needed. You're going to put in the description below. All right, so don't need to bother yourself about it. So these are the things that have been created with this particular AI. So you can see. Now, in order for you to use it, you're going to have to log in. Now, if you click on this three dots, now you see that you have to log in first before you can use it. So let me quickly go ahead and log in using my Google. So let me show you what we can actually do with this particular platform. I'll go ahead and use one of my email to log in. Now, there are a lot of platforms that can give you access to AI tools. So I'll click on continue. So I'm currently on, I think I'm on desktop mode. I will leave desktop mode. So I think I don't need to be on desktop mode before I can use this particular platform. So I'm not going to go ahead and scroll down, click on continue. Just wait for it to load out. So now you can see, all right, I'm going to just go ahead and just, all right, so this went to, all right, this one video creation can help you to, now when you click on this, our three dotted line has here, you can see this three dotted line. You're going to see the capabilities of this platform. All right, so we're currently on, we can create using 720dp, as you can see up there. And the aspect ratio, we have multiple aspect ratio. You can increase it, how many seconds video you want to create, from 5. All right, so for a free version, you are going to be using 5 seconds. That's what you have access to. Okay, you just have access to 5 seconds. That means you can be creating 5 seconds videos. Okay, unlike the Grok AI that can give you access to over 10 seconds. Now here, if you want to create our video, what we're going to do is to come here and upload. We'll come here and upload our image that we want to use to image that we are going to animate. I'm going to come here and upload it. I'll just wait for it to search my gallery and load up the image. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the image. So my image has already been uploaded. So I'm just going to go ahead and paste my prompt here. You can see this is the prompt that I'll be using. This is the normal prompt that I'll be using for our chef. So I've already uploaded. I've uploaded my image here. So you can see that's what I just did. My image is currently here. This is my prompt. So I'm going to go ahead and animate the image. So I click on it. I think this is going to cost me 10 credits. Okay, so it's currently generating. So when it's generating, it's going to show up here. So I'm just going to go ahead and pause this video and wait for it to finish generating. Now, this particular platform is not as fast as Opa.google or Google Vid. All right, those are very, very fast. All right, so it's currently generating it. I'm going to go ahead and pause it and come back later once it's done generating. All right, so it's currently done generating. So let me just click on the video. Let's see what we have. Now you can see the way he created it. So here, this is it. So let me remove that. So actually, you can use your Wan. It's called your Wan AI video. All right, the URL is create.wan.video. All right, this is URL. So everything will be on the description below on this video. So you don't need to stress yourself. I'll give you the link. So here you can actually generate your image. You can animate your image using this. Now, if you want to, if I just click on this my download button here, you know how to download this video to my phone. I can come here and just go ahead and download it. Click on download. All right, go ahead and download it. Now, the issue is that this particular video might have a just small watermark, all right? But it's not going to show at the end of the day. It's not going to show. Just like you have your Gemini. Gemini used to add watermark in case you are not using the pro version of it. Okay, so that's how you create your video with your Wan AI.
Come, let me show you how to prepare a delicious Nigerian dish that feels illegal to know.